Welcome to the future of luxury travel, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle, it is a statement of innovation, elegance, and engineering perfection. Imagine a masterpiece on wheels, where Bugatti's legendary hypercar DNA meets the comfort of a five-star hotel. This is a motorhome designed not just to take you places, but to completely redefine how you experience the journey. The very first thing that welcomes you is the breathtaking launch area. Unlike any traditional motorhome, this is not simply an entryway, it is a dramatic stage, crafted with carbon fiber accents and polished metal highlights. A hydraulic platform slides out with absolute precision, surrounded by glowing LED strips. It has been engineered to carry and deploy a Bugatti hypercar, so every arrival feels like a spectacular event. It's a feature that turns heads wherever you go. Moving further, the washroom sets a new standard for comfort and style. Alcantara-lined walls with polished veneer create warmth and richness, while at the center is a frameless smart glass shower. With just a touch, the glass transforms from clear to frosted, giving instant privacy. The floating vanity glows with subtle ambient light, the faucets are touch-controlled, and the heated floor keeps every step cozy. It doesn't feel like a washroom in a vehicle, it feels like a luxury spa on wheels. The kitchen is a masterpiece of hidden design. At first glance, it looks minimal and seamless, but hidden inside are the tools of a gourmet chef. A brushed titanium countertop conceals an invisible induction cooktop. Panels slide open to reveal a premium espresso machine and a temperature-controlled wine cabinet. Smart storage drawers and mirrored back panels reflect the warm glow of LED lighting. Voice commands let you control appliances, lights, and even ventilation. This kitchen is less about cooking and more about creating an experience of modern luxury. Now step into the driver's cockpit, and you will see why this motorhome carries the Bugatti badge with pride. The horseshoe-shaped steering wheel glows with the Bugatti emblem, wrapped in Alcantara and carbon fiber. A curved OLED screen flows across the dashboard, displaying holographic speedometers, navigation, and driving data. Augmented reality projects information onto the panoramic windshield, turning it into a digital command center. Titanium knobs and jewel-like crystal controls make every interaction feel precious. Sitting here feels more like piloting a spacecraft than driving a motorhome. And of course, the true luxury lies in how you relax. The seating and living areas are designed for ultimate comfort. Plush leather recliners with embroidered Bugatti emblems adjust with a single touch. Each seat offers massage, heating, cooling, and memory functions. The lounge can transform into a cinema with a retractable screen hidden in the ceiling. Panoramic glass walls open up stunning views of the outside, while blackout shades ensure total privacy when needed. The lighting adapts to your mood, shifting from warm golden tones to Bugatti's signature cool blue glow. Every corner, from 3D stitched panels to crystal accents, radiates elegance and futuristic design. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is not simply a mode of transportation. It is a moving palace, a sanctuary where hypercar performance and world-class luxury come together. From its hydraulic launch area to its spa-inspired washroom, from the futuristic kitchen to the spacecraft-like cockpit, every inch has been designed with absolute perfection. This is Bugatti's vision of how the future of travel should feel. A blend of performance, innovation, and unmatched comfort, all inside one extraordinary creation. It is not just a motorhome. It is an experience that transforms every mile into pure luxury.